Hello everyone and welcome back to our math video. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. We are going to get started with patterns. So we're going to be using word problems and patterns in our fourth grade. It's fourth grade material, but it's going to be in our third to fifth grade slot. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do this one today, make number patterns.
Lena starts with $5 in her piggy bank. Every month she saves the $7 she gets from her parents.
So starts with $5, and then every month she adds $7 to that.
Write down the number pattern matching the story.
So we started with 5, and then we're going to add 7 to that. That gives us 12. We're going to add 7 to that. And that gives us 19. Adding 7, because every month she adds 7 more dollars to it. That gives us 26, not 16. And then our last number being 33.
Taha read 3 books last year. Every year from now on, he wants to double that number.
So starting at 3 and then doubling it every year. What will the pattern end up being?
Write down the number pattern matching the story.
So 3 doubled is 6. 6 doubled is 12. 12 doubled is 24. And 24 doubled is 48.
Andy uses her car 64 times per month. Every month from now on, she wants to have the amount of times she takes the car.
So now instead of multiplying, because it says half, we're doing 1/2, not double. So 1/2 of that, or like dividing by 2.
Write down the number pattern matching the story.
Starting at 64, we're going to half that. Half of 64 is 32. Half of 32, I'm going to split this into 2 things. 15, because half of 30 is 15, and then half of 2 is 1. So 15 plus 6, or 15 plus 1 is 16. So half of 32 is 16. Half of 16 is 8, and then half of 8 is 4.
Leo has 40 flowers. Every day he gives 8 of those flowers to his friends.
So he gives 8 away. Gives is our key word for subtraction. So take away, get rid of. All of those mean subtraction. So 40 minus 8, and every day subtracting by 8.
Write down the number pattern matching the story.
32. 32 minus 8 is like 30 minus 6, which gives us 24. 24 minus 8 is 16. And 16 minus 8 is 8. This is also the reverse of the multiples of 8, or like you were dividing back by 8 to an extent.
Brilliant! Keep it up!
Awesome job, everybody. This has been patterns, word problems, and we used the numbers one. If you do like these, as I always say, you can always go into Anton. It is an app and a web-based website where you can do practice problems, and it is free to create an account and track what you're doing. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. If you are enjoying these videos, I need you to do 2 things for me. Actually, a few things for me. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and share the channel with someone that you feel would subscribe and benefit from the the practice as well. Have a wonderful rest of your day.